Fermented dill pickle recipe. This summer, we had plenty cucumbers in the yard, and fermented dill pickle was part of daily meals. Summer is over, I'm missing our pickles, and planning to make dills using organic cucumbers from grocery store. I was using dill flowers because they have strong dill flavor. If I didn't have enough, I added some dill seeds. Cut the end of cucumber's flower blossom because enzymes in blossom can make cucumber soft. Salt should be non-iodized because it can affect fermentation. For 1.5 liter jar, I added 1.5 tablespoons salt. You don't need sterilized jar, just wash very well. In this video I didn't have bay leaves, but if you add couple bay leaves to the jar, dill pickles will have more crunch. And of course, you have to put garlic, per personal taste. I usually using about 7 cloves per 1.5 L jar. Cover jar with few layers of folded cheesecloth. Leave in room temperature for about 3 days. After that, keep in refrigerator and enjoy.